Form CR1, company registration form.
Yes.
Would you like me to read the...
Who is the director?
Director shareholder, Kiremi Kome.
Confirm that that is your signature?
My email address, my PO box.
I've asked what
And I've signed.
Confirm that that is your signature?
One of my signatures, yes, that's my signature.
Let us be clear. Confirm that that is your signature. I've not asked you how many types of signatures you have.
One of my signatures.
One of your signatures. For the record purposes, how many signatures do you provide?
I have a short form and a long form, and I have a signature that I use for my bank to differentiate from my public documents.
How many types of signatures appear in your form?
I said I have a long form and I have a short form signature.
So there are three.
A long form and a short form.
Two signatures. So the signature you have signed here.
I, Kiremi Kome,
Do swear by the name of the Almighty God.
do swear by the name of the Almighty God,
The evidence I shall give before this court,
the evidence that I shall give before this court,
touching the matter in question,
touching the matter in question,
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
nothing else but the truth.
nothing else but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
You have to follow your bundle of documents dated 6.
What is your name? Your Lordship, my name is Kiremi Kome.
There are documents you filed in court.
Correct.
They are dated.
6th December 2023, Your Lordship.
That is your statement dated also an even date.
Correct. Yes, Your Lordship.
There was the supplementary one, which I have provided to the court. It was served on all the parties. They have it. I could pray that we adopt the statement before we proceed. That is the point we left it at yesterday.
B1W1 by Mr. Mwanza. Move on.
Yes, I do.
I also rely on a bundle dated 23. Was adopted as this.
Yes. Yes, Your Lordship.
Kindly be served with the first issue.
Mr. I hope your other witnesses are not in court. Huh? They're not supposed to hear what the other witnesses here is saying. Very well, move on.
Thank you, my lord. You file a PO, a preliminary objection, to this matter. True?
It's a point of law.
Yeah. That's what I said. You file a PO. Confirm. A witness statement dated witness statement is dated the 6th day of December 2023.
That is correct, Your Lordship.
Read paragraph 55. That is the
Honorable Court has jurisdiction to hear and determine the counterclaim.
The Honorable Court has jurisdiction to hear this matter. True?
To hear and determine the counterclaim.
That's what I'm saying. Just read the way it is.
The Honorable Court has jurisdiction to hear and determine the counterclaim.
Is that your affidavit?
Where would you like me to start it from?
Is that your signature? That's your
Yes,
affidavit?
yes, this is my
Thank
signature.
you. Let's move on. The court has taken it. Number two. When did you conceptualize the company, the subject matter that is before this court?
This company was registered in April.
Conceptualize. I'm not asking about registration. Please, I'm a bit loud for you to get it. When did you conceptualize?
Your Lordship, I'm being asked to go back in memory to a time that predates when the company was constituted. That could be anywhere from 20 years ago, 10 years ago.
You had this idea 10, 20 years ago. Thank you. When did you actualize it?
The company was registered by myself in April.
I'm not asking you. Which date did you register the company?
It's on record, 14th April.
Just answer my question. Which date?
It's on record, 14th April.
14th April. Which year?
It's this year.
2020. What were the requirements for you to register that company? Or what did you give the registrar?
I
to
gave
register
my
the company?
I gave my ID, I gave my PIN certificate,
What is it?
correct? My identification. I gave all the regulatory requirements for
That's
registering
I'm
a
asking
company.
you. What did you give?
The documents required by the BRS.
Which one?
They are on record.
Check your record. The code, I want you to tell me, this is what I gave to the registrar. Because you are the one who registered the company.
That's correct. I did register. the
What did
company.
you give the registrar?
I gave the required documents.
Which one?
They're not limited to, but my identification card,
Your ID,
my PIN certificate,
your PIN certificate.
and any other documents that they requested.
Which one?
I would
You
have,
never avoid that question.
I would have to refer to the registration documents.
You are the one who registered this company or somebody else?
I registered. I instructed someone to register it for me.
Very well.
And
who did you, let's agree, you never registered. Who did you authorize to register? You got an ID, you have an ID.
that is correct.
You made an application for the ID,
That is correct.
provided your document,
Correct.
provided everything. The outcome is a national identification. True.
That is correct.
So I'm asking, before you tell me about Sierra Club, show me the procedures you did for the registrar to give you Sierra Club.
Thank you. Like I mentioned, I'm not a subject matter expert. I contracted one Harry Bob Otieno to do the registration of the company on my behalf.
Did you sign any document?
And Harry
before
Bob?
the act happened?
Harry Bob submitted the documentations.
You never signed any. Let us
Yes,
have
I
a
do.
look.
I signed documents. I signed the documents.
You have.
They're right here.
Read to the code.
Yes.
Your Lordship,
The third defendant's list of documents, pages 26, 27.
Yes.
That's page 26,
What is in 26?
CR 8. Notice of residential address and the statement of nominal capital,
Which page? We want to
page 30.
page 29 has what?
Notice of residential address,
Yes, I've seen page 26.
It is what? For the benefit of
form CR1, company registration form.
Yes.
Would you like me to read the
Who is the director?
director shareholder, Kiremi Kome,
Confirm that that is your signature.
my email address, my PO box,
I've asked what answer only what
and I've signed.
Confirm that that is your signature.
One of my signatures, yes, that's my signature.
Let us be clear. Confirm that that is your signature. I've not asked you how many types of signatures you have.
One of my signatures is
One
here.
of your signatures. For the record purposes, how many signatures do you confirm?
I have a short form and a long form, and I have a signature that I use for my bank to differentiate from my public documents.
Who we ask? How many types of signatures appear in your form?
I said I have a long form and I have a short form signature.
So there are three.
Long form and a short form.
Two signatures. So the signature you have signed here, it is what? Long or short?
I have a long form and a short form signature.
What is this form? Signature described? I've not moved away from that.
It's a short form.
This is a short form.
Yes.
So that's not proper. Look down here. The form is completed by who?
Harry Bob,
That the signature?
whose signature are you asking for?
I've asked you. It's your document. That's the lawyer's signature.
I have a short form signature and I can verify.
We are here now.
Harry Bob, yes, that's Harry Bob Otieno. Correct.
Which is the date there?
This is April 13th.
What I have is 13th of April.
Yes,
True.
April 13th, 2023.
All right. Let's move to the next document, DM3. What is it?
We have a memorandum for a company with share capital, form CR2.
Who is the subscriber?
I'm the 100% subscriber.
Sign there.
Correct.
Let's move to the next document, DM3. What is it?
It's a register of beneficial owner.
Who is the beneficial owner?
I am the beneficial owner.
Read where it is recorded that you are.
The percentage of shares a person holds in the company directly, 100%.
Who?
Kiremi Kome.
Thank you. Let's move to the fourth. The next one.
It's a form CR8.
Yes.
Notice of residential address. Stroke change of address of director of company.
Yes. Yeah. Put your signature there.
That is correct.
The next one.
Statement of nominal capital.
Yes. What does it say?
The Stamp Duty Act, Cap 480, Section 39, and Schedule Article 8, PVT.
Simple. There's a description there. Who is the director?
Kirimikome. I'm the director. Shareholder.
Is there anything again from that you launched before these things came? These are all documents from the KRA.
BRS.
The company register, the register of companies. True.
Correct.
Do you have anything that shows you initiated this process? To Haribo? Did you instruct Haribo to do the company registration?
I did.
Is there any document to show that is happening? Did you pay Haribo your fee?
It was paid up.
Do you have any document to show that?
I paid up for this
No, I'm only
registration.
asking. If it's not there, it's not there.
It's not on court record, but it,
28, Lord and Tom, that's where I am. I'm asking.
Your Lordship, our bundle of documents, page 195.
Page 1.
For the CR12, 195.
Yes.
For the beneficial ownership, Your Lordship, it is the third defendant's bundle of documents.
We are declaring.
what bundle of documents?
This is my company.
Which bundle of documents is it?
It is you to show me what.
That's the third defendant's bundle of documents.
Your Lordship, perhaps, Your Lordship, the DCI file several weeks which are provide extracted statements from the bank accounts of stay order. Those bank statements are the ones that have been provided here by the third defendant. That's all.
Give the pages.
Page 40.
47.
Yes. Yes.
All the way to page 50,
Pages 40,
47 to 50.
Of the company.
Of the assets of the company are determined by that process. He has considered. He has no point in that money. The money is for merchants.
Can we record issuance of instructions to transfer. There was no transfer.
of instructions to transfer.
Injunction restraining the first defendant, whether by themselves or their representatives and servants, all that. One, from transacting account number, the account is there. B, the account is there. C, the account is there. Still prayer D, which the court is there. The specific orders he's seeking for is let him not maliciously transfer that money because they are the subject matter of this court.
They've been admitted to the context. If he denied,
Period.
not push. But right now he's told.
What made that man trust you 100%? He is in this mess because of this statement. Had you been described as a pauper, he would have looked for you. That's what I'm asking. Show this court that financial muscle of real estate. Name it. Are they there?
Is he asking for title deeds or I
No,
don't
no,
know
no.
what
I've
he's
asked.
asking.
Name the names of the real estates that you have in this country.
Yeah, I have title deeds in this township, Your Honor. I have title deeds in Mavoko County, title deeds in Naivasha. I have title deeds in Meru. I don't know what council is looking for, Your Honor.
What is the rough estimate of your what?
Again, Your Honor,
So that you cannot even pay 10,000 to the registrar of companies. How much do you owe from this description? Very critical. Don't worry, KRA will follow to know that. Just proceed. This is the basis of that Rwandese problem in this country. Estate no answer. Let's go to the hotels. Kindly name the names of the hotels that you have. That made my plan believe you. Are there any? Not in this country. Go to look at the hotel. It's just a simple thing. Do you have or you don't have? You still get tongue-tied as we are moving. Then move from the hotels because you have none. You have come from the US.
Correct. I am a director in hotels in this country, Your Honor.
Name them.
There's Meru Slopes Hotel in Meru. There's Isiolo Bowman Hotel in Isiolo.
Which hotel in Meru?
Meru Slopes Hotel.
Mary Slopes Hotel. You are a director. Thank you. Bowman's Hotel?
Correct.
In where?
In Isiolo.
In Isiolo. Which other hotel?
That is all I wish to declare for now.
For two. Now we have two hotels. Three, you came from the States.
Correct.
True? For business or for academics?
What's your question, Counsel?
It's not clear that you are saying that he was in States. You can either be in States as a tourist, as a student, as a worker, or as an investor. Or government business, government job. What? Is it true that you have been in the US?
Correct.
As
As both a student and I've worked there.
you have worked there. What is your profession?
I'm a businessman.
Academic, intellectual.
I am a businessman.
Academic is primary, secondary, university. That's all I'm asking. The end, top.
Correct. Yes, please.
How did you arrive at this amount? Did you receive a notice from the KRA to tell you we need $1 million or $100?
Your Lordship, under advice, I was informed that the finance bill was coming to pass and the digital tax was coming into effect, and companies such as mine were liable to pay taxes at the end of financial year.
You know, Mr. Coleman, it's a question of integrity. You are running away from paying taxes so that our women can produce and die in hospitals without drugs.
And I would like it to go on record. Email sent purporting that I have resigned. Email sent purporting that I have transferred shares.
The governments of hacking